This video will guide you through the Android boot loop fix in the top 8 productive tips and tricks. Trick 1. Remove the protective case. A protective case shields your Android phone from scratches and dirt, but it can also trap heat, causing the device to overheat and get stuck on the boot animation. To fix this, remove the case temporarily and restart your phone. Trick 2. Remove SD card. Step 1. Power off the device and detach the SD and SIM card from it. Step 2. Reboot the device to see whether the problem exists or not. Trick 3. Soft reset Android phone. Step 1. Press and hold the power button for about 10-15 seconds. Step 2. Release the button and select the restart option to wait for your device to restart. Step 3. Check if your Android device has rebooted successfully and is no longer stuck in the boot loop. Trick 4. Clear cache partition in recovery mode. Step 1. Turn off your device and press and hold the volume up plus home power buttons simultaneously until the device logo appears on the screen. Step 2. Release all buttons to boot your device into the recovery mode. Step 3. Next, choose the Wipe Cache Partition option using the volume keys and confirm the selection with the power button. Trick 5. Boot Android into safe mode. Step 1. Power off your device. Step 2. Press and hold the power button until the device logo appears on the screen. Step 3. Once the logo appears, release the power button and immediately press and hold the volume down button until your phone finishes booting. Step 4. If successful, your device will boot into safe mode, indicated by a safe mode label at the bottom left of the screen. Step 5. If your phone works fine in safe mode, you may need to uninstall recently installed apps that could be causing the boot loop. You can uninstall these apps via the Settings Apps menu. Trick 6. Factory reset Android phone. Step 1. Power off your device. Step 2. Press and hold the volume up plus power buttons or volume up plus home buttons on older devices until the device logo appears. Step 3. Once in the recovery mode, use the volume buttons to scroll down to wipe data or factory reset and confirm with the power button. Step 4. Choose Yes to confirm the factory reset and wait for the process to complete. Step 5. Once the reset is finished, select Reboot System Now to restart your device. Please note that a factory reset will erase all your data, so ensure you've backed up important Android information before performing the step. Trick 7. Use CWM Recovery. Step 1. Press and hold the power plus volume up plus home buttons to activate the CWM screen. Step 2. Scroll down to the advanced option with the volume keys. Step 3. Pick the Wipe Dalvik Cache option and choose Mounts and Storage. Then, click the Wipe or Cache option. Once done, reboot your Android phone. Note, depending on the Android device model, you may use a different combination of keys to enter the CWM screen. Trick 8. Use Android System Repair. Step 1. Install and launch the software on your PC. Afterward, choose Repair Android Repair and connect the stuck Android device to the computer via USB cable. Step 2. Select the correct information of the device in the relevant column. After that, tick I agree with the warning, type "OOOO" to confirm the operation, and hit Next. Step 3. Get your Android device into the download mode with the on-screen directory. Then, tap Next to download the firmware and start fixing the Android device automatically.